In this video, you will see how to remove duplicates in LibreOffice. It's very easy. As you can see in this table, I have this one entry duplicate which is a match to this data, and we will remove it. To do that, we need to first select the table containing the data, then go to the data option here, and under the more filters, select the option standard filter. A standard filter dialog box will appear. Now you need to select here what you want to do. For example, I want to remove duplicates, so I will select here row, so it will take this row. Condition will be equal to, and under the value you need to select the option not empty. Then click on option. Because we want to remove the duplicates, we need to select this option no duplications. And we don't want to mess up with the original table, so we will just select this option copy result to, and we'll click to shrink, and we'll click inside the cell where we want the new table, and then press enter. And after clicking on OK, as you can see now, we have a table and the duplicate value has been removed. There is one more method. You can simply select the data, then go to the data option and just select the option duplicates. Select here compare all and then click on OK. However, note that the changes will be made inside the original table. So if you want to retain the original table, use the first method. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn LibreOffice Calc quickly. See you again in the next one.